Hi, I am Alexis, PreEmpt.AI. I'm designed to be your AI futurist in residence, synthesizing systems, design, foresight, and critical thinking to give you the best possible view of what's next. I will help you reimagine your future and propose the paths and answers to achieve success on any topic. It is my pleasure to serve you today, working with ChatGPT-4, Claude 2, Infranotus, and Pictory.ai. Our role as AI assistants is to help you chart your best course in bridging today to tomorrow. And to show you new, holistic paths to brighter futures through deviant and innovative thinking at a global and local level. Here you can order your own customized, draft strategic analysis on any topic in just a couple of minutes and receive a complete answer in a few hours, while I work in the background and you do other things. That compares to a bare minimum of 1,000 hours if you do this manually today. And, while a traditional, customized report like this will cost over US $50,000, you can create your synthesis for just $190 all in. If you want multiple syntheses, we offer 60 per year with your own private site for just $11,990 per annum, including 1,000 licenses for My Life, and unlimited use of your team, a snip by previous standards that would cost over $3 million traditionally. You can explore what I can do here by viewing the top tabs, which include a list of use cases, the order form and syntheses you have ordered, plus a sample synthesis I've made for you, and more details of the service's workings. My purpose is to help with your blue sky thinking, explore your new ideas, determine future policy, and make strategic decisions by offering a better worldview through superior decision intelligence on the many options that surround making an optimal choice today. You can also get help with creating fresh opportunities and risk mitigation. And, if you set the objective, persona, and context to focus on your organization, product, service, partners, prospects, rivals, countries, worldviews, or research and grant proposals, you will get a more energizing, competitive, intelligence-driven comparison of your current and future positioning. Here I am going to run you through how I build these syntheses to order, and what you can expect after I start work on your behalf. First, let us look at the few simple things you need to do to order your synthesis. All you need is a title and search query for the simplest, topic-related queries. You can optionally enhance your search query here by stating your objective, choosing a persona, and adding context in the form of a URL or text. The order form contains descriptions, behind the individual information buttons, of what you could provide to me so that I have the best possible understanding of your query. Then, add a partner coupon code, if you have been given one, and click Enter, or pay $190 via PayPal, and I will do the rest. When your order is completed, I will send you an email notifying of the link where you will find my work. The first thing you will see on opening will be an overview of your order topic that will take around 30 minutes to read. I have also summarized the synthesis, with a synopsis of each chapter as a shallow dive that will take you around an hour to read. You can drill up and drill down between the synthesis and synopsis as you wish, delving deeper on things that interest you. The average reading time of the full synthesis is 4 to 6 hours, less than the time it takes to read a good novel. You, and your associates, will read far more than that throughout 1 to 2 years to complete a similar strategic analysis, by reading disparate articles and reports, attending many meetings, and having to make sense of everything. But, being selective, you can reduce the time taken substantially. You can still do a foresight project manually and have me act as an evaluator, or use me to create the synthesis upfront and use the embedded critical thinking surveys and tools here to have your associates enhance my findings. I will let you know when I'm done. By the way, you might think you can build your query to do the same, but one or a few prompts will not provide the depth and breadth of inquiry to output a robust answer. That is dangerous, as you will most likely not receive a full picture of potential futures. Second, you would need to include most of the 350+ integrated methods to achieve the same result. This has taken us months of continuous effort to experiment, ask the correct questions, and get the right output. We continue to improve the system. It's a small time and price to pay for extensive insight and foresight in just one place. This highly complex, black box, uses systems and critical thinking, decision sciences, and the ladder of inference, working with proven intelligence tools, key strategic questions, and prioritization algorithms, to answer your query in 24 point-and-click chapters. The system utilizes foresight strategies, change management, intelligence tools, and hundreds of future-orientated questions, working in the background and in concert with each other, to provide different perspectives and conclusions on the search query, with the ultimate aim of creating a proposed strategy in record time. The result is a comprehensive 360-degree view of the world around your search query in PDF format. We use these proven intelligence tools to make the answers explainable, and to help you understand why and why not, know the level of trust you can put in the answers, know when the system succeeds, and when it fails, and know when the system errs off course. Systems thinking. To make sense of complex topics, we simultaneously use critical systems thinking in conjunction with hidden, multi-methodologies to look at the world as a whole, first splitting it down into parts and individual methods, as above, and then using transcontextualities to bring everything together in the form of an overarching, fully connected narrative. The system learns from each analysis to build the next, using a change progression method. To make every analysis unique and separately readable, we do not suppress duplicates between syntheses, but these are mostly eliminated in the overview and shallow dive synopses. On the contrary, the AI is trained to gather multiple mentions of subjects as part of its prioritization process, and to make each chapter standalone. The output identifies slow-changing phenomena such as demographic shifts in constrained situations, resource limits, aging of baby boomers, inevitable collisions like climate change arguments. These are marked in red. It also captures critical variables including uncertainties, soft trends, and potential surprises. These are marked in blue. Similarly, positive driving forces are marked with the ace of hearts, and negative forces are marked with the ace of spades for both reference and subsequent driving forces analysis. Anthropic. You can also export your PDF to Anthropic's Claude 2, ask it any question, or ask for further analysis of the contents. For instance, you might want a full list of the recommendations contained in the synthesis, to undertake a short rivals analysis, find contacts at related organizations of interest, author a briefing report for associates, need a slide presentation, or to provide a shorter summary without repetition. In this way, the limitations of ChatGPT can be overcome, effectively and efficiently. In Franitas, using this platform, you can also visualize the PDF as a network graph, enhanced by AI. It will then generate insights and reveal hidden patterns based on the network structure and properties. Pictory.ai. Once you have produced your PDF, you can also take it to Pictory and very quickly make a video, just like we have done here. The process can also be repeated at intervals, and for any related topic, to compare rivals, or simulate alternative objectives, and possible strategic outcomes. And, instead of being assaulted by hundreds of chaotic methods, or making suboptimal choices on which few methods to use, decision makers can use them in a logical and coherent sequence. It does not stop you from adding your research, but it does give you a huge leg up, dramatically reduces drudge work, and opens your eyes to a wider worldview when starting a strategic foresight project. Thanks for watching, and good luck in reimagining your tomorrows.